News TV, and welcome to Legal Matters. My name is Tim Shaw and I'm the Thailand correspondent for the 7 Network Australia. I, like many of you, am intrigued at understanding how Thai law works. And who better to ask than a specialist in Thai law joining us now. Olaf Johnson, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
I want to talk about business law. What is the most common type of business that's operated here in Thailand?
And that's what you see basically every day on the street. You see the somtam seller, you see the person that is selling fruits, you see the person that is maybe have a small coffee shop. That is the most common way of operating what is called legally the sole proprietorship. These people are operating independent on their own without registration, mostly with the government, and they are liable for their action, meaning they are liable with all their assets if something goes wrong in their business.
So if a foreigner was considering coming to Thailand and opening their own business, what type of business structures do most foreigners open and operate here in Thailand?
Yeah, maybe to name some, because there are various forms. We have obviously the partnerships, and they range from unregistered to registered to limited partnerships. But the most common form of doing business in Thailand is basically the company limited. Most foreigners will be using the company limited to invest in the kingdom, maybe to complete the companies that are existing in Thailand. Obviously there are public company limited too, but that is not the most common form that is used. Foreigners are basically using company limited, a private company limited, to invest in the kingdom for several reasons.
Tell me what BOI stands for.
BOI stands for the Board of Investment. Mm-hmm. Many people ask us and ask their friends that they've heard that somebody in the kingdom in Thailand is operating his business and he owns 100% of that business, even though it is usually restricted. So there are certain kind of people that have 100% control of their company as a foreigner and don't even pay taxes. The reason is because they received a BOI promotion. Mm-hmm. BOI stands for Board of Investment, and certain kind of businesses are eligible for it. Businesses that Thailand want foreigners to come into the kingdom in order to invest and invest in the kingdom here and bring knowledge to the community.
Such as?
Several hotel business even. Maybe this is in Phuket, maybe the most interesting one. Certain kind of hotel businesses under certain conditions obviously can receive BOI promotion. But these are complicated details that you have to look in because not every business can receive it. But in that case you can even have foreign ownership of the land.
Just briefly, the Treaty of Amity, what does that mean?
Yeah, the Treaty of Amity is an exception that is only available for the Americans. Me as a German, you as an Australian, we cannot participate in it. It's a treaty that was concluded between the governments of Thailand and the government of the United States of America, and it gives special rights to American citizens. Basically, they are supposed to be treated the same way as Thais are treated in each respective country. So Americans can come to Thailand and operate businesses that you as an Australian or me as a German are restricted to do. So we can have 100% American-owned companies here that are doing businesses where we will require a 51% Thai shareholder.
Olaf, thank you so much for your time and joining us here on Legal Matters. If you'd like to contact Olaf directly, please visit dktaxandlaw.com, or if you want to know more, go to thephuketnews.com. My name's Tim Shaw. It's been great to have your company here on Legal Matters. We look forward to you joining us again soon. Bye for now.